Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I deep clean my AirPods. This is just my method, and so you can see here I have my AirPod with its pink silicone case. You can see there's cat hair, there's some lint, dust, and it's just looking really dirty. That part looks decent. Okay, so not too bad on the inside. You can see. What I'll be using in this video to clean these, I have a napkin here, and this is a floss with a pick at the end. I don't have two picks, but you can definitely use the wooden one. This is very sharp in my opinion, so I like using this. I have some soapy dishwater. I have antibacterial sanitizer spray. I'm not using Lysol because Lysol may be a little bit too harsh, especially putting it in my ears. You can also just use cleaning alcohol and just dilute it with maybe 70% water, so it's not too harsh. And I'm using some Q-tips. We're gonna take the case out. It's kind of hard to slide this off. Okay, you guys can see just some lint. So you just put silicone phone cases directly in water. There's no harm there. So while that is soaking, make sure I get a good rinse. All right, you guys can see it looks. And we're just gonna shave the dirt out on the corners. I'm gonna use this in my hand to just wipe it. You want to be careful you don't apply too much pressure because it has that like speaker net, so you don't want to mess that up. Just check the bottom. Okay. So I'm gonna spray some. I'm just gonna wipe around. We're gonna actually spray this end. What I'm gonna do to kind of like sanitize the mesh is I'm just gonna do like a tiny little dip. Let me feel how wet it is. Maybe a little bit more. You don't want to oversaturate because you should never like dip your AirPods in water or get it too wet. So this is like a very little moist, so just gonna do this. Don't push anything in because if you do have any dirt, it's gonna get stuck. So just lightly. Now let's look at the other one. This looks really clean. And if you put some lighting and move your AirPod to certain angles, you can see some little areas that have more earwax. Just gonna take some dust off. And I'm actually going to spray this on here. I'm just gonna do this because I think this would be an easier step than using that little Q-tip. And let's look at it again. Spray it a little bit. You see some weird sticky residue came out when I put the alcohol. So it's nasty. I think it's earwax. Okay, so it looks like this AirPod is clean. I think it deserves another little wipe down with this. Just gonna rip a little bit. Spray it. We're gonna spray this side heavily so it's a little drenched. Dip it downwards so any excess water it won't go into the other parts. You see there's a hair stuck like right here. I'm gonna take another one and I'm just gonna put it in here. I'm not going all the way down, or I'm being gentle when I'm like all the way down there. I'm not like gonna push the connectors, and just lightly maybe do it like this so that way any dust can just like fall down. And let's spray this. And we're gonna clean this part. So it looks like the AirPod case on the inside is all clean. You guys can see. Looks like it's a little bit wet from the alcohol spray, so I'm just gonna wipe it. Okay, some little bit of dust there. I'm gonna go rinse this with some warm sink water and I'll be right back. All right, so the case is rinsed off and I use a napkin to make sure it's completely dry before putting my AirPods in. So let's just slip it right in. Make sure it's secure. And there we go. So that's how I clean all the nasty gunk off of my AirPods. And now it's completely clean. Let's look at how much dirt and nasty earwax. This is disgusting. I think you guys should all clean your AirPods every like other week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see similar videos down in the comments, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.